Okay. Here's the 98 Dodge Ram running. Already got this valve cover back on this side. That clicking is this gadget right here. That's just a tip. There's no tapping. See that side of the engine. Reinstall. Okay. Now this side, let's take this valve cover off. Plenty of oil. Plenty of oil. Like a brand new. I don't know, but let me make sure this is coming in. See all that oil on those rockers? Fantastic. I just took the valve cover off that side because I thought, man, let me check the driver's side too, just to make sure there's not a problem there too. Cranked it up and everything is A-okay. But man, my baby's doing good now. I'm just mainly coming over here now to hear it run. Isn't that beautiful? Man, this is great. Man, this is fantastic. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, let's go ahead and cut her off for right now. New fuel pump, new crank position sensor, one new push rod, engine running like a brand new one. Oh man. Let's go ahead and shut and lock that door. Woo! Oh, a little later here, I'll probably reinstall that valve cover. I may just put a lid on it till tomorrow. But anyway, later, love y'all.